you for tuning in to my channel, Do What You Love by Nanette. In today's video, I will show you the simple way of doing the sand and pebbles layered planters for your houseplants. I will do a little twist in this video and incorporate houseplants with my succulents. I figured winter is upon us. That means less outdoor gardening and more indoor. And then for my viewers in the Philippines, I remember this time of the year is our rainy season there. So the timing couldn't be more perfect. And it will be so much fun. First, let me tell you what we need for this exciting project. You will need your large container. It has to be glass container. I'm sure you have an old flower vase that's lying around in the house, so you can grab that one. You will need a smaller container, but it doesn't have to be glass as long as it will fit inside your glass container. Our sand, pebbles, these are actually from Lowe's and I got them for $5.99 each. Our moisture meter will be very, very handy, and I will tell you why. The planter will not have a drainage or a draining hole, and therefore we need to be able to monitor the moisture of our soil all the time. You can use a syringe or this type of container to water your plant. This works for me because it has a very, very skinny mouth. I can gently water my houseplant using this container. We will need a small piece of paper and of course our houseplants and our potting mix. Alright, let's start! Potting mix that I use for this one is the one from Lowe's. We are going to plant houseplants right now, so I will not be very particular about using potting mix for something. Exciting part. We'll put this aside. So when I'm pouring my sand, I will not be very, very particular and make sure it's even. I'd like it to be more wavy anyway, so we'll just pour and just go with the flow.
Whether you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook and love this type of content and would like to see this channel grow, you can give this video a thumbs up and maybe hit that subscribe button. While at it, you can turn on the notification bell so you can be informed when my next video launches. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.